Hello YouTube. I got some more scrap goodies this weekend. I had this in the garage. It's a bucket full of old nails. I added it for weight. I'll take the drill bit out of there. I got this old stove here. Originally the people who put it by the alley taped the door shut to the side, but there was a lock on the door. They didn't need to put that tape on there. And plus I got an old dryer too, so hopefully that will rig me in some decent cash for cashing these in for scrap. So yeah, let's go. Now we're here at the scrap yard. I'll pull up because I need to dump these things on the ground.
Slide them on the ground. Slide my slide.
Yeah. Well, I made $29.65 for 2 appliances and a bucket of nails. Not bad, eh? And yeah, now it's time to go home. And that concludes this video, and I sure hope you enjoyed it. Bye.